Here we go, 2003. First time I had a bit of money to do my scooter up, how I wanted to do it. This is the first ride out.
Trotting on the rocks to get there, just so I could stand on top.
This is our old house, Hollywell Road, where Levi lives now. In that cul-de-sac. Say this is the first ride I went out on it since I rebuilt it. It's down Elston Road. Big smile on my face. Everything was running beautiful, all new cables, everything nice and tight. Drove like a dream. It's Levi recording, Joe driving. Levi's at the side of her recording out the window. Coming round up onto Welford Road. I thought I was Admiral of the missing fleet. Couldn't see that I was the sun. I rolled my pride in the darkness, scratched away the stars. I thought I was lord of this crappy jungle. Look at the sparkling. What a beaut. Matching helmet. How gay. We go, just going by the football ground, with a no-hand action. Don't try this at home, kids.
Like a fall from command, I thought I was king of the whole wide world, but it just came to pieces.